A mother was gang raped in front of her children at gunpoint in Pakistan recently on the motorway, and the police officials indicated that she was at fault because she was driving home alone at night. Let me just repeat that one more time. एक माँ जो अपने बच्चों के साथ रात को ट्रैवल कर रही है, at gunpoint was raped, और जिस जस्टिस सिस्टम से आपको इंसाफ की उम्मीद है वो आपको कहता है कि आपको रात को अकेले ट्रैवल नहीं करना चाहिए वरना आपका तो रेप होगा. Well, what about the women that are being raped in broad daylight? फिर लोग कहते हैं कि औरतों को तो घर से बाहर निकलना ही नहीं चाहिए. Well, what about the women that are being raped inside their own homes? फिर लोग कहेंगे कि औरतों को तो ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनने चाहिए. Provocative, revealing कपड़े पहनेंगी तो रेप तो होगा ही. What about the women that are being raped in burqas? People are being raped in offices, buses, schools. Minor children are being raped. 80-year-old women are being raped. Transgenders are being raped. बहन भाइयों का रेप हो रहा है. They're raping animals. They are raping dead people, for God's sake. How long are we going to try to justify rape? And when are we going to understand that there's no justification for it? When are we going to come to a point where we're going to stop saying कि रेप इस वजह से हुआ है, but instead we're going to say कि रेप को नहीं होना चाहिए था? I'm actually happy to see that there's a movement that started where people are saying we should hang the rapists. अगर मेरी मर्जी चलती मैं तो कहता इन लोगों को जिंदा जला देना चाहिए. Even hanging these people is too less of a punishment for them. But that's not the solution. That's a very short-term solution. We need to think about a long-term solution. हमारी कंट्री में अभी तक लोग रह रहे हैं जिनको लगता है कि रेप की जस्टिफिकेशन है. Until that mindset changes, no change will come. The only time change comes in a society is when a society decides to change themselves. हमें अपनी गलती को भी मानना चाहिए. We need to start raising our boys and girls the same. हम अपने बेटों को तो ये कहते हैं कि बेटा जाओ ऐश करो, लेट आओ घर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. लेकिन लड़कियों को हमेशा घर में डरा के रखना है कि बेटा घर से बाहर नहीं निकलते. It's not safe. Why is it not safe? It's not safe from the same boys जिनको हम बाहर जाने की इजाजत देते हैं, जिनको हमने इतनी फ्रीडम दी हुई है. अगर मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूं और आपने मुझे इसका ऑनेस्टली जवाब देना है कि क्या आपको पता है एक औरत जिसका हस्बैंड उसको मारता हो, आपको कोई ना कोई एग्जांपल तो मिल जाएगी. It has become so common in our society. और हम उस औरत को क्या कहते हैं? बर्दाश्त कर लो. डिवोर्स नहीं करते. औरतें इस तरह के काम नहीं करती. बर्दाश्त करो, बर्दाश्त करो, बर्दाश्त करो. We keep instilling this in people's minds कि औरत को तो बर्दाश्त करना चाहिए, औरत के साथ यही सलूक करना चाहिए. और मर्द, we can get away with anything. We can do whatever we please. That is the mentality that needs to change. When a son sees his father abusing, harassing, assaulting his mother or his sister, he psychologically believes that this is how women are supposed to be treated. And we are not doing anything to change that. And this is the mentality that we need to get rid of. कब तक हम इस सोच में रहेंगे कि एक औरत को बर्दाश्त करना चाहिए, बर्दाश्त करना चाहिए, बर्दाश्त करना चाहिए, but not the fact that we as fucking men need to change. हम change को तो बहुत advocate करते हैं कि change आना चाहिए, change आना चाहिए, but we fail to understand that it's our mentality that needs to change. Until ये गटर वाली सोच हमारे दिमाग से बाहर नहीं निकलेगी, no change is ever going to come in our nation. It's very easy to blame the government, but what we fail to understand is that the government and the nation need to stand side by side to make a change happen. मैं आपको एक example देता हूँ. अगर आपके हाथ में garbage है और सामने garbage bin पड़ी हुई है, we generally tend to just throw the कचरा on the ground. हम तो कहते हैं फेंक देंगे, कूड़ा है, कोई बात नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट ने तो सामने रखी हुई है ना गार्बेज बिन कूड़ा फेंकने के लिए. जब तक हम उस कूड़े को गार्बेज बिन के अंदर नहीं फेंकेंगे, nothing will change. गवर्नमेंट कभी भी चेंज ना ला पाई है, ना ला सकेगी. The change needs to happen with the government, not by the government. We need to start speaking with our kids about these matters, and if you don't feel comfortable in speaking with them, we should have schools instill this in their curriculum so that kids are given a proper education. We need to teach them what's right and what's wrong, and most importantly, we need to teach our kids that respect is a basic human right and every person in this world deserves respect. I have a lot of faith in our generation, and I believe this change will come from our generation because we always stand up to injustice. So I'm begging you, please, if you're watching this video, raise awareness about this topic. Make a tweet, make a Facebook post, do anything. Speak with someone. Raise awareness in their minds, because even to this day, people in our country believe there's a justification for rape. And until that mentality changes, no change will come.